Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unzip files in Google Drive. The first thing you need to do is simply open your Google Drive and navigate to the zip file that you want to unzip. Now, if you double click the file to open it, it doesn't actually open the zip file. It will just show you the files inside. So what we need to do is select the 3 vertical dots on the file for more actions. You can also just right click the file, then select open, and you will see several apps that can open and unzip the file. I recommend using zip extractor, which is usually the top option. Go ahead and select zip extractor. The first time you have to do, give zip extractor access to your files on Google Drive. Once you do that, it will bring that back to the zip extractor page, where it will show you the files inside the zip. Make sure the files you want to extract are checked. By default, all files will be selected. Then click extract to drive. It will go through the process of extracting, and once it's done, all you need to do is select view files in drive, and there you go. We have now unzipped the files in Google Drive, and you can open them up just like any other file to view, edit or change as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.